Asia, Africa, North and South America, Antarctica, Europe, finally Australia. Oh, guys, I forgot. There are you. Can I speak Tagalog or English? Let's first English. Okay. Guys, today I will make a song that I make it. I will wrote a song and I will make it for you. Tagalog. Guys, gagawa ako ng kanta para sa inyo. Sana po gusto ninyo, i-like nyo po yon, i-subscribe po ang aking channel. Salamat! So guys, do you know what you need to do, right? Subscribe and go in my channel and hear my song. Bye-bye! Bye!